Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put negative number 2 go to the left and you got about positive number 2. Next, we can use about reduction variable. So I will put about u equals to negative 2x negative y plus 1. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have du over dx. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have negative number 2. First derivative of y, we have dy over dx. First derivative of number 1, this is about the constant, so you got about 0. Now, I will put the negative sign go to the left. And now, we need to change this one into u. This one we change by negative du over dx. So this one I will put on the left, dx we put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So this one, we have e to the power of negative u du. The integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative u. And then we put about c. This one we have s. Negative, negative, we simplify. About u, that is about this one. So this one we have 2x plus y minus 1, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.